thank you for watching NatsO Zumba and welcome to Zumba Basic. We will break down the basic steps so that you can learn easily and have a confidence when you join the Zumba class. It's about 10 minutes with warm up and cool down, so it's good exercise as well. It's super easy, so everyone can do it. Don't worry about making mistakes. The most important thing is to have a great time and then keep moving. That steps will come along as long as you keep practicing. Here are my beautiful ladies today. Yay! They will show you examples and dance with you. You ready? You ready? Yeah! Okay. So today we will do the bachata. Bachata is slow and romantic, exotic movement. So a lot of hip and then shoulder, chest, I would say chest, right? When you hear the sound, you will notice the romantic movement. So you gotta show a lot of emotion, you gotta feel it. Don't rush it, right? Okay, so basic. The first one we use a lot is go to the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's just like a walking to this different direction. But 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And agile hip. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Agile arm if you feel comfortable. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right. And next one is hip roll. Roll. Hip. Only hip. Not this. And little closer. Legs are a little closer. And push. Push your hip. Push your hip. So it's gonna roll. Hey, push. Hey, push. Push. You kind of stick your butt. You push it and push. Okay? And then next one is up. Up. Feel it. Up. Up. Feeling. Up is hip movement. Side to side, right? Side. Agile arm. Move. This is more like a chest instead of hip area. You got to feel it. It feels so good. Right. Up. Feel it. Up. Feel it. Up. Feel it. Up. Feel it. Hey. Alright. And the next one, let's go to the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Lots of emotion. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Our hand tend to go this, like a touch your heart, your chest, or something like that. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then different variation. 1, 2, 3, 4. Side to the 2, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Watch my cue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So when you do this, make sure your alignment is good. Not this, right? Not that. It's like art. that, it's easy. And the diagonal, 2. 2 back, diagonal back. We use a lot of steps like this for other songs as well. Like bachata, when it comes to bachata, lots of emotion. Just 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's diagonal, diagonal. 2 step, back, and back. Alright? I think that's all. We can do this with the sound and songs.